Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy these juicy, flavorful baked chicken drumsticks. I have already washed my chicken drumsticks. And when you're cleaning your chicken, you want to make sure that you get the feathers that are usually on the end part here, as well as that yellow outer skin that's left on the end sometimes. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on these just to help the seasonings to stick. And the seasonings that I'm using today are all-purpose, smoked paprika, some dried parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And all of these will be listed in the recipe. I'm adding a couple tablespoons of my homemade green seasoning. If you don't know what green seasoning is, it's a homemade blend of fresh herbs such as thyme, scallion, onion, and all that good stuff. I'll link the video for you, so if you're interested, you can check it out. I'm adding a teaspoon of this dark soy sauce, and this will help to give it some color. And it smells amazing already, guys. And you want to make sure that you peel back the skin and get the seasonings under there as well. I'm gonna let this marinate for at least an hour. Ideally, you want to give it overnight if you have the time. My oven is already preheated to 350, so I'm going to bake these covered for half the time, and then I'm going to remove the foil and finish baking them for the remainder of the time. Covering the chicken helps it to remain moist, and it also speeds up the cooking process. Alright, so our chicken has been baking for 40 minutes, and I'm just going to flip them over. You don't have to flip them if you don't want to, it's just something that I like to do. So usually I'd use the juices here to make a gravy, but I'm not gonna do that today, so I just made a quick little sauce from basic ingredients in my kitchen. And all this is just some ketchup, honey, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and some pineapple juice to thin it out. You could also use water or some orange juice. So I'm just gonna pour this over the chicken. And then place this back into my oven to finish baking, and during that time I'm going to baste it a few more times. Our juicy, delicious baked chicken legs are now done. I baked it covered for 40 minutes, then I poured on my homemade sauce, baked it uncovered for the next 20 minutes, basting it 2 times in between. And we have a nice little sauce to go with it. I hope you get a chance to try this baked chicken recipe. Remember, you can find the recipe in the description below. You're welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you try this or any of my recipes, and don't forget to follow me as well. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and let's get to our first 1,000 subs. All my socials are linked in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.